Wednesday, April 9, 2025, and this is 2+ minutes in the law and politics. Have your parents ever said something like, do as I say and not as I do? I kind of think that that's what's going on with President Trump's claims that he is the free speech president. Now, it's true that his executive order did ban censorship in online communications. We've been talking about that for 3 days. But I don't think you can do that on the one hand and then do all the other stuff that's anti-free speech and then, and then be able to call yourself, the free speech guru. I don't think it should really work that way. So what am I talking about? Well, he sued CNN for $475 million because the network used the term "the big lie" when talking about his claim that he had won the 2020 presidency. Secondly, he sued CBS for $20 billion, claiming that 60 Minutes had obscured or improved an interview of Kamala Harris. And I think they're in mediation in that lawsuit. In the one against CNN, I think that one was dismissed. Third, he sued ABC because George Stephanopoulos used the word rape in talking about what he had been convicted of, when in fact he was convicted civilly liable for some other type of sexual conduct. I don't know exactly what it was, but it wasn't rape. And I think they're in settlement discussions on that. He sued the Des Moines Register over a poll it conducted that said that Kamala Harris was winning. He is trying to deport or having people self-deport in situations in which the person is here on a student visa and made some type of communications about Gaza. He is wanting them to leave the country just because of those statements. I read today that Doge or Doge is using AI to search employees' computers to see if they have made any comments that are hostile to Donald Trump. I read today that the Associated Press had won a ruling in court where a judge said that they should be allowed back into the briefings. They had been ousted because they called the Gulf of Mexico that instead of the Gulf of America. President Trump has also excluded statements because of diversity, equity, and inclusion. And he's made some comments about protests. So in my opinion, he is not the free speech president.